Revimon is a glass cooled recycling plant. We process and treat all the glass that comes from selective collection. The main outputs of Revimon is mixed cooled glass, flint glass and also amber glass. All the collective glass that we receive at our plant, it's not only glass, there is a lot of contaminants. And so this glass, we introduce it in our process and we have several equipments that during our production we can get all these contaminants. We have a mill also to put the glass in smaller particles, and then later we have some optical machines, and these can detect what is glass and what is not glass, so they can take off all the contaminants, leave the glass and also separate the glass by colors. PICVISA has made along with us a turnkey project. They delivered us all the engineering and the assembly of our line production. And now, since we are already in operation since 1 year, all the maintenance, we also do it with PICVISA, where they can remotely access our equipment and to solve any problem that we may have in our production line. The optical sorting machines that we have, they are very efficient. These allow us to produce cooled glass with high quality and to be sure that we are not sending any contaminants mixed with our glass. My experience with PICVISA has been very good. They know what they do, they have a lot of experience, and every time that we need any help from their side, they are always present for us in a matter of minutes.